Guys, it is not looking good out for me out here. Dude, my dad's raging at hockey. But it is not looking good. Hold on, let me get a shirt. Alright, I got a shirt on. Dude, that's like rotating! Do you see that? It's rotating! It looks like it's rotating. Drew might. Oh my. Guys, I'll be right back. Please do not click off the video, please. Dad?
Yeah.
I see something fucking rotating in the sky. Okay, fine. Have your salsa.
Look at it in a minute, dude.
Oh my god, it's really thundering. Or lightning. There's really lightning over there.
Alright, I'm coming.
It's like rotating. I wouldn't be surprised if the tornado start going off right now. Oh my gosh. It's really like, literally up there, it looks like it's rotating. You see that?
So was this new?
Really?
Don't put that on YouTube.
Alright, I'll try and cut it out.
No. Just kidding with you.
This is my dad.
Hi.
Fluffy beard. Watching the big storm come in. Right there! It's like fucking, it looks like it's rotating. You see that?
Yes, I do.
It does not look good for Rockville. It's literally it's rotating. It's really, there's no doubt it's rotating. No doubt. It's rotating. Alright guys, full video on my channel.